Kentas POS Online Training. Welcome to Kentas POS. In this video, we are going to show you about item kits or bill of materials. The use of this feature is for recipes, ingredients, packages, bundles, and others group of items that you need to deduct in the inventory automatically with one barcode only. When our system detected an item kits, it will display an alert message below. Please take note, using item kits, the item profile must be set to non-stock to avoid negative inventory. Take note, when using this feature, this item will not deduct on current quantity on hand. It will deduct on the item kits automatically. That is why we set the item profile into non-stock. Now, we can go to the item kits module. For this example, we already populated this data with ingredients of this item. From the ingredients listed, when a customer purchased this item, it will automatically deduct to inventory, depends on what you set in the quantity. From here, you can also edit and remove items. You can add items by using search. After searched, you can choose specific inventory items to add in the item kits. Quantity depends on what unit of measurement that you set in the item profile. It can be grams, pieces, kilograms, liter, and other available options in the unit of measurements. Thank you for watching. You may contact us. Our website, email address, phone numbers,